You just bought yourself a brand new roll form machine from New Tech Machinery. Today, in this video, we're going to discuss the 5 things that you need to do once you receive your machine. Tim LaGuardia here, Assistant Service Manager at New Tech Machinery. Today, we're going to discuss the top 5 things you need to do once you receive your brand new roll form machine. Number 1, once you receive your machine, you need to document and take pictures of all damage that might have occurred during the shipping process. If damage has occurred, please notify your shipping provider or the distributor you bought your machine from. Number 2, go through your invoice and just double check to make sure that all parts have arrived that you ordered. If there's anything missing or anything is damaged, please notify the service department at New Tech Machinery. Please keep in mind that you have 5 days to notify New Tech Machinery of any missing or damaged parts. Number 3, remove all the covers and do a thorough inspection of inside of the machine. Check for any loose hardware and inspect your profile to make sure that it's what you ordered and there's no damages to it. Number 4, if you are receiving training from NTM or the distributor you bought your machine from, please do not operate your machine until that training has occurred. Number 5, please do not attempt to fill any hydraulic fluid in the machine. Your machine comes with hydraulic fluid already in it. The only fluid that you're going to need to provide is gas for the gas engine. If you have any questions, please go to our website at newtechmachinery.com and check out the Learning Center, or you can call the service department. Also check out the 5 things that you need to know about our training, link below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.